Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit unexpected and unplanned because I was not planning on filming today. Today was just going to be kind of like a little bit of a self-care day for me, and I also was like super tired today for I don't even know why. I was kind of out late with friends last night, but other than that, like I got like good sleep, so I don't know why I'm so freaking tired today, but I do have my Starbucks coffee to get me through this, and I am really excited for what I'm going to be showing you guys because I am going to be doing a unboxing of something really fun and exciting, and I had to film today. I could not wait tomorrow because that was actually when I was going to plan on filming a bunch of videos, but I cannot wait tomorrow. I have to film this now because I have to open this now on camera to get my like true reaction of this item. So that is why I am here today. I did order something from Spade today, and that is what I'm going to be unboxing. I am so excited to see what this purse looks like because I've seen this purse everywhere and it just looks so cute and adorable, and I'm so happy to like finally have it and see it in person. So I am going to get to opening this. And I have never actually opened like a package on camera before, so this is a little new to me, but I wanted to open this on camera for you guys because I want my genuine like reaction to this. And I'm shaking so much I cannot even cut this package open because I'm so excited. But yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got it. So we are now about to see the bag. I'm so excited. I already see it popping through the, what is this called? The tissue paper. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. Should I open? I need to open this up so you guys can see. So, okay. Countdown. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So obviously I got the Love Shack heart purse from Spade. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, and I think this is just the receipt at the bottom. So this is all we have right here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm so happy to have this. I literally, okay. So I saw, like when I first saw this purse, my first impression was this purse is so cute and adorable, but I kind of like was like, I don't know if I'm gonna get it because like, I don't feel like it's like a really practical purse, like if that makes sense. It's very like, you know, out there. It's very like, just has like a very like Valentine's Day vibe and, you know, spring vibe to it, which is what I picture using this bag for. But I kind of just didn't like see it as like an everyday bag, if that makes sense. So I didn't know if I really wanted to get it because I'm kind of someone who like thinks practical, or I try to at least think practical, but I saw this purse everywhere on everyone has it, and I was just like, it's so cute. I had to get it for myself. And it is my favorite colors ever. It is this beautiful like pastel pink, and then it has gold hardware and detail to it. And not only can you hold it like this, it also comes with a very like long body strap, which I will pull out for you guys so you guys can see. And it's super long too. So this is the body strap. This is so cute. I love this. Oh my gosh. And I feel like it's actually like a really great size too. It's like about the size of my hand, a little bit bigger. This is so cute. I freaking love this. This bag is originally $349, but I did get it on sale for, I believe, $142, but with shipping, it kind of brought it up a little bit. So I can't remember the exact price I paid. I want to say I paid like $150, I want to say. So yeah. And also they are out of stock on the actual Kate Spade website. So I didn't purchase this from Kate Spade. I actually purchased this off of Amazon because they had some in stock over there. So that is where I purchased this bag, and I know that you can still purchase it on Amazon, or you can look on Poshmark and eBay and all that, because they always have, like, you know, resells on there. This is kind of hard to show you guys, but this is what it looks like on the side. It sits right at my kind of like the top of like my leg, like my waist, I guess, or not my waist, this is my waist, my hips I meant. So yeah, it's perfect length. It actually, the strap looked like very small for some reason, like the body strap, but it actually is very long, so yeah. This is just going to be the most perfect Valentine's Day gift, and actually I should show you guys the inside too. So on the inside it has the little like label that says just Kate Spade, but they also have, and I don't know if I can really show it, but they have this like little slot in here where you can like put like your cards, like your credit cards or ID or whatever. So you don't even like really need a wallet with this. You can just stick that in there and you're pretty much good to go. And yeah, I actually really love this. I feel like my phone is gonna match so good with this. Oh my god, it's so cute. My phone is a little bit of like a more lighter pink, but I still think that it's so cute together. And it actually does fit my phone, I believe, too. Actually, I saw like a bunch of like reviews on this bag, and a lot of people, you can actually fit like a lot of things in this bag. It's a lot bigger than it looks and like seems. My phone fits perfectly in there. Like there's actually quite a bit of room in this purse, which I really love. And that kind of sold me on it. I was like, when I first saw this, I was like, this looks like a very small purse, and it only kind of looks like something you'd like use during like the spring and Valentine's Day season. But I actually feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because it is actually so cute. So I am so happy with this purchase. Also, if you hear my neighbor's dogs barking, I apologize. They love to bark. But yes, guys, that is all I have for today in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you guys would like to see a what's in my purse with this bag, because I definitely will do that, and I know you guys really love my what's in my purse videos, so I can definitely do that with this purse if you guys would like to see it and see what all could fit in the purse, because I'm very curious myself to see what I will have in my purse. But yeah, guys, I am just gonna end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below video requests that you have for me or anything you'd like to see here on my channel. Follow me on my social medias. They will be in the description box below. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, guys.